welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Youth support at Agassaim meet to condemn attack on Vishnu. Social activists, Congress, NCP leaders slam government, call BJP backstabbers. BJP denies charges, only one arrest after 72 hours. Congress learned lesson in recent polls. Natarajan's ouster impact of poll results, says CM. Environment Ministry cannot act without taking Goa government into confidence, warns Parrikar. More than 11,000 Goan Portuguese voters under Election Commission scanner. FRO refers names to Commission. Commission suspects at least 50,000 Portuguese voters. Goa BJP begins preparations for Modi's Vijay Sankalp rally. Mega rally on 12 January to witness crowd more than 1 lakh, claims Chief Minister. Modi to launch poll campaign. And government assures High Court won't give permission to shacks deck beds, causing inconvenience to visitors and damage environment. Court disposed public interest litigation. Now news in detail. Support, solidarity and sympathies have begun pouring in for MLA Vishnu Suryawag from across the party lines. Speakers at the public meet held in Goa Vella stressed and appealed not to trust neither BJP nor CM in the 2,000 plus people gathering. The Goa BJP is creating a picture of a personal fight and says BJP has nothing to do in the attack. Health Minister has termed the attack as uncalled for. Meanwhile, after 72 hours of attack, the police so far has made only one arrest in this connection.
चर्चिल, मिकी आणि रवी यांचे पाय धुव आणि त्यांचे तीर्थ पियायस त्यांच्यानी खयच्याच आमदाराक जिवंत मारपाची सुपारी दिवंक ना जी आयज पर्रीकरांची सुपारी दिल्या. बायलांचो आधार घेवचो सोडचो. त्याच्या मिटिंगेक एकूय दादलो मनीस कित्याक नासलो. तेणे साडी घालून काखणा घालून येवची असली, मिशयो काढून येवच्यो असल्यो. इतले हे कृत्य करता आसतना
गोल करपी मेन प्लेयर आसा जो जावन आसा किरण कानोळकर, जो थिबीचो आमदार, भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो आमदार. दुसरो जावन आसा मनोहर पर्रीकार. तिसरो जावन आसा भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो सुप्रीमो सुपर सीएम ओ सतीश धोंड म्हणटा तो.
जरी तरी पारेकारा दिसता ह्या मनशाक सांपळायच म्हणून त्याला विष्णू बागा कडेच मिनिस्टर करतो, होम डिपार्टमेंट दितो तो तांकां दोता शुअर 100%.
जेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकारान म्हणले जस्टिस डिलेड इज जस्टिस डिनायड, आज हांव मनोहर पर्रीकाराक विचारता why is he not following, why is he not practicing what he is preaching?
जे पळय गाडयेचेर हल्लो करपाचो कोणी प्रयत्न केलो ते खरेंच योग्य न्ही आनी आमी तेजो भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या प्रमुख कार्यकर्त्यांच्या मिटिंगेत तेजो आमी निशेध केल्लो आसा. तेजो गैरसमज आसा आनी त्या हितूंतल्यान हेजेर आमी योग्य जो तोडगो कार्यकर्ते दोगांयचे आमदाराचे जे कितें गैरसमज आसा तो पयस करपाचो प्रयत्न करतले. न्ही पयलीं उलयतले आमी एकी कडेन कितें हाडपा जाय म्हणजे खंय गैरसमज आसा तो आमी पयस करतले.
जावंक जायना आसलो जाला ही गजाल खरी आसा. अखेर कशें आसा कोणाचे तरी करणारे दोग जाण आसतात किंवा एक दोग जाणांचो फुडाकार आसतात. 5-10 जाण आनीक सापडटात भितर, बळी पडटात आनी तातूंतसून गोंयची बदनामी जाता. जावंक जायना. गोंयच्या राजकारणांत पयलेच फावटी ही गजाल जावंक जायना आसली.
Goa government has always been corresponding with the centre regarding shady affairs of the Central Forest and Environment Minister and the ministry. The Chief Minister, while speaking to the media, has attacked the Congress, saying the removal of Jayanti Natarajan is a lesson Congress has learned in the 4 assembly polls. CM also cleared that without taking the Goa government in confidence, the Union Forest and Environment Ministry won't be able to act on Western Ghat Zone, Tiger Reserve and Wildlife Sanctuary related issues. Jayanti Natarajan had suspended the environment clearances of Goan mines almost a year back.
ते तांची इंटरनल जरी मामलो असलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता जयंती नटराजनाक काडपाक कारण हे तिणें जी प्रकारची एडवन्सी केल्ली आसा पळय जो जो प्रत्येक प्रकल्प स्टॉल्ड प्रत्येक प्रकल्प खंयच्याच प्रकल्पाक क्लियरन्स मेळनासलें एनवायरमेंट देर वॉज ह्यूज रिएक्शन टू इट आनी ताज्या मुळे एक देश पळय आयज इकॉनॉमीक हातूंत नेगेटीव एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन करूंक जाय ताजे बद्दल म्हाका मातूय डावट ना हांच्या पेक्षा आमी चड एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन करणारे पण हाजो अर्थ नेगेटीव भुमिका घेवंक जाय अशी कांयच ना आय ऑलवेज रिटर्न टू I have never written to her except official. Every time I wrote to Prime Minister complaining about her attitude. शेवटी मातशी ती मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेशर फ्रॉम प्रायम मिनिस्टर आसत लास्ट 2-3 म्हयन्यांक मातशी सुदारलेल्या भशेन वागताली स्टेट आय डोंट नो बट ही मोयली इज अ मोर आय हॅव मेट हिम ओनली वन्स उलोवप जाल्ले हाजे वयल्यान तो एक बरो म्हणजे वेल मॅनर्ड असो मनीस दिसता पळोवया ताजे मुळे कितें फायदो जावंक शकता वेस्टर्न घाटाचो विशयाच्या संदर्भात आमचे स्ट्रॉंग रिएक्शन आसा unless state is taken into confidence, central cannot step onto our area of dominance. Absolutely no. ह्या सेंट्रलाक UPAच्या टूक सवय जाल्या ही प्रत्येक गजालीन कर्मा करतात कायदे तयार करतात आनी पयशे कोण म्हणजे आजो येतलो खंयचीय गजाल तुमी कायदो करता RTE केलो तुमी एज्युकेशन एक्ट मागीर तुमी कितें फूड हे केलें अरे तुमी कायदे करता जाल्यार प्रोविजन दिवपाची वेवस्था करा.
Almost 11,600 voters are under scanner for Election Commission for having Portuguese passport. Election Commission has sent notices to all these voters after foreign registration officers refer these names to the Election Commission. Sources say there are more than 50,000 voters who have Portuguese passports. However, they cannot be deleted from the voters list as the FRO doesn't have proper records of passports prior to January 2008. Watch report.
According to the Indian Constitution, the person who possesses citizenship of another country ceases to be an Indian citizen. However, Portugal allows dual citizenship. Issue was debated after Benali MLA Caetu Silva was declared as Portuguese national by the Union Home Ministry. Sources from Election Commission informed that revision of the voters list was done last on 1st January 2013. Nearly 11,600 names have been referred by the FRO to the Election Commission. Joint Chief Electoral Officer has sent all the names to 40 electoral regional officers. Electoral officers have sent notices to all these voters who have Portuguese passport. During the revision of the voters list, names of nearly 2,700 voters have been deleted from the voters list. Remaining 8,900 names will be deleted after proper scrutiny. The final report will be ready by 6 January 2014. Names of voters from 4 January 2008 till 31st March 2013 will be deleted from the state electoral roll. Sources said that there are more than 50,000 voters who have Portuguese passports. FRO doesn't have proper records prior to 1st January 2008 since most of them have not surrendered their Indian passports. Hence, FRO cannot refer their names to Election Commission. In such cases, Election Commission cannot delete their names from the voters list. Sources inform that Benali MLA Caetu Silva and BJP MLA Glenn Tiklo registered their names prior to 2008. As per procedure, persons born before December 20th, 1961 from Goa, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli can apply for Portuguese nationality, so their descendants. The first step is acquiring Portuguese nationality, which is granted by providing the applicant with a bilhete de identidade. The next step is to acquire a Portuguese passport. Within 15 days of receiving a Portuguese passport, the Indian national has to inform the Indian authorities to delete the name from the ration card and election card. Then they have to report to the FRO and surrender the Indian passport. After that, they have to apply for overseas citizens of India status and can stay in India for lifetime. But they are not allowed to vote and the name has to be deleted from the voters list. Reporter Mahesh Gari with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.